meters of focal length tied up in this scope. So don't look at this as a small scope. This is a biggie. This is bigger than a 5-inch, and it's a full 1.5 meter focal length. And of course, combined with the other features of the telescope, that absolutely superb computer system